trucking companies, well, Saia trucking company hits a new high. It continues its hot streak, SAIA, carving out new all-time high of $92.98 earlier this session. All right, off Wall Street is reported to have closed its short position on Saia earlier today. The 62% year-to-date gain, man, for the trucking stock. And again, with Dorian is probably going to get a lot of small businesses or businesses looking to increase the number of trips to their locations because they're going to need the materials. And how about, here's a specific stock to take a look at, SAIA. Stock in 40% run since the short recommendation was fired off. Interesting about Saia. Let's put this on a 3-month graph. Look at this 20-day exponential moving average. It serves as a good guide for a stock that's got a nice smooth pattern moving from the bottom left to the top right. Why do you like this as a stock? 1, it's moving up in a smooth pattern. 2, it's above the 20-day exponential moving average that I've put on the graph. 3, the stock is moving higher, hit a new high over the last 3 months. But with today's activity is a lot of pullback. Where's that pullback coming from? A lot of that pullback is a lot of people have made a lot of money in a short amount of time. There could be a lot of profit taking going on right now. Right now, I would not buy it yet until the stock's price takes out the high. Let's see if the stock's price still has the wherewithal to continue to move higher and take out that high. With today's activity though, today's wick, today's high, did hit a new high over the last 3 months, but there's a lot of give back with the big wick at the top. It is an open candle, open bullish day, but a lot of selling pressure with the big wick at the top. All right, let's go to the next one. I love the RT on this, steadily moving higher. Price moves RT. RT does not move price. It's the other way around. Price moving up will move up RT, and that tells me the stock is in a good uptrend. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.